Okay, not a fan of this problem. Let's take a look at it. So we have which equation can be used to find how many flowers Eva sells. So I got 72 flowers. I'm going to place an equal number of flowers in 8 vases. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Right. The key, I think, the killer here for the kids will be that she sells 3 vases. So everybody's going to assume that's going to be minus 3. But we got to be careful there because we got to draw this out. So I'm drawing it out. I got 8 vases and I got 72 flowers distributed equally in all of these. That means 72 divided by 8. That's the first thing I need to do, which cancels this guy out because it's double subtraction. So he's out. And then notice here, there's no subtraction going on here. All right, but these 3 vases are going to be sold and they're going to be removed. All right, but I got to find out how many go in each vase. So here's the question, right? So 8 times what number gives me 72, right? That would be the trick to this one. And so how do we do that, right? So you would just I would start playing with it. I'd just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and just work your way to eventually you're going to end up getting 9 in each vase. But you can literally draw it out, dun, 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 and just count your way up until you get there. That's one way to do it. Hopefully the kids know 8 times 9 is 72. Kind of tough to do. I've shown there's some 3rd grade math teachers how to utilize the area model for this one. Maybe try 8 times 5, get your 40. So you got 72 minus 40, which is 32. That one's a little easier to work with. 8 times 4 is 32, and so on, right, to get to that 9. So it's up to you. But then you know that 3 of them are going to be removed. So you're going to remove 27. So I'm looking for 27 as my final answer. So yes, it's divided by the 8. And then you got your 9 per vase. But you can read those 3 vases then, or there's 9 in each vase. So then you're going to get that. I don't know about this, because this is going to give me the 9, then times the 3 is the 27, then it times the 3. You divide it, and then divide times the 3 that are here to get your 27 that you're going to get. Weird. Not a fan of it, but that's the one that works. Because, it works again, let me just kind of clarify that, because you're going to get your 9 per vase, but since you got 3 vases, so you go times the 3, right? 9 times the 3 here to get your 27, because that's what you removed. So once you figure out how many per vase, which is 9, you multiply times the 3 vases, because that's how many vases you got rid of to get that 27. Tough to explain to a 3rd grader, so you might do this in several different ways.